Or if you surrender, you'll be saving a lot of trouble for yourself. Because I said, if you surrender in good faith, I will not put you in prison. Because there is really that release order. So I would just presume that you are in good faith. But make yourself available for investigation because something is wrong here. And it has to be corrected. And since I am the president, I have to correct it. Nobody will do it for us. It cannot be a law. Matagal yan. And the Supreme Court, of course, it's the final arbiter. Pag sinabi ng Supreme Court nga huminto ka, hinto ako. Pero if there is no action, then people would like to think that the president should do something. Else, sabihin nila, kasali itong gago na ito. Bakit walang ginagawa? Huh? Simple as that.
So you have
Or you cover, kinakapote niya